Hello everyone and welcome to this video where we're going to be talking about Klaviyo app from our workflow apps. This is a tool that's going to help you automate different actions directly from a workflow app in your agency to your Klaviyo account. As you can see, we have the different actions like update the profile, search profile, create profile, delete coupon, update the coupon, search coupon, and create. So how do we set this up? First up, you gotta make sure that you're connected on your GHL Plugins account. And if you're a new member, make sure your agency is linked to your GHL Plugins account. So how do we go about it? You just have to go at link accounts and then link agency. You open a new window asking you to log in. Actually, as a new member, you're going to get something like asking you to select the appropriate agency or the particular sub account that you want to be linked to your GHL plugins account. And you have to check some boxes allowing access to all sub account for your agency and enable automatic future installation. Once you're done with it, you automatically send back to your GHL plugins account to select the appropriate workflow apps that you're gonna install and connect within your agent. There you go. So you have available apps and install apps. Of course, for new members, if this is the first time for you to install, the app is going to be available here. Since it's already installed, we're going to have it here at install apps. So let's type. There you go, we have Klaviyo. Of course, if you have it as available apps, you have to get it installed. In order to do that, you just have to go on Klaviyo and setup. You open again a window on Go High Level. Following the same process, you have to select the agency or the sub account where you want the tool to be installed and connect. Actually, we recommend you to select the agency. When you're done with it, you automatically send back to GHL plugins. It's time to copy the custom menu link. So you make sure it's copied and you switch to your agency level. Within your agency, you have to create a custom menu link. So how do you go about it? You just have to come here at settings and then custom menu link, create a new. So you have this form, you select the appropriate icon for your custom menu link. You choose an icon here and then name how you want to name your custom menu link. For example, we can say my application. We decided to name our custom menu link my apps. And here you paste the custom menu link that you just copy from your GHL plugins account. And there are some preferences here that you have to check. And you save. And this time you switch to your sub account. And you go look for my apps. Remember, we decide to name it my apps here. Of course, if you decided to name it my application, make sure you have my application here. Let's go to my apps. You have apps available and connected apps. So since the app is already connected, we just have to show you how to connect your tool to your Klaviyo account. So how do you go about it? Let's come here at connect, connected apps and look for Klaviyo and we go on setup. Of course, we're gonna ask you to provide the API key. So how do you get the API key? You get the API key on your Klaviyo account. So let's go on Klaviyo. Here, you come down here, you go on settings, and then you come here at API keys, create private API key. You type a name, let's say my own API, full access, and then you scroll up and we create. Perfect. As you can see here, we just generated an API key. So let's copy the key and go back to the sub account and paste it. Perfect. And then we submit. Beautiful. Okay, guys, we just connected our tool to our Klaviyo account. Now, let's go and test it on the workflow by taking an action. In order to do that, we just have to scroll up to automation here and access the our workflow. There you go. So this is our workflow and we can trigger with a contact tag. Let's take an action. Let's look for Klaviyo service. All right, great. We're gonna create a profile. So let's put in an email address here. Phone number, make sure you put a valid phone number. First name, let's say for example, Greg. Let's say Duncan. And the organization, let's say GHL plugin. Let's say for example, let's say Scrum Master. And let's save the action. We make sure it's saved. Now, let's go and test the workflow by pushing a contact. So let's go with Craig and let's run the test. There you go. Now let's go and check whether action has been executed. There we go. As you can notice, the action has been executed. So now let's go on our Klaviyo account to make sure it's been executed. Okay, we have two profiles. Let's go down. Greg Duncan. Bingo. We have the profile of Greg Duncan that's been created. This is very amazing, guys. If you ever have any question, feel free to hit up our support team who is available 24/7. So don't forget to leave some comment. Thank you for watching. Welcome in GHL Plugins.